I'm at the library right now, about to get some stuff done.
Hey, 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 this is library.
It's free. Almost everything in 2024 is expensive, but you know what's free? The library and subscribing to this channel. There's 12 years of van content on this channel, and it's free. A nice, quiet, free spot where you could get some work done. Happy Friday. A little heart-to-heart video with you guys today. No ads on this one. I've had a lot of free time the last 6 weeks, and with that free time, I've been renovating my van interior and treating my YouTube channel like a full-time job. The month of April, my view count was up like 36%, I believe. So thank you for all the support, guys. This is the latest addition to my van renovation, ottoman, storage, and it makes a nice seat. I'm just leaning back right now. This is nice. So the first shout out I want to give is to my girlfriend Brooke. The last 6 weeks I've been depressed and I haven't been the most pleasant person to be around. So I just want to let her know that I appreciate her very much. I'm gonna make up for this. I'm gonna make up for this last 6 weeks, and I'm working on it right now, working hard right now. Headed into the library right now. And then another shout out I want to give. Three Pigeons. They're the first company that I've accepted a free product from. I always said if I'm going to accept something free on my channel, it's going to be for something I'm actually going to use. So Three Pigeons, check them out, guys. They like what I'm doing with this whole lifted van thing. They like the whole lifted van meet, and I think it's pretty cool that they're supporting us. Yeah, man, so I've been on this I've been working on my channel like it's a full-time job. You know, I've been working on my van a lot, and in the last month YouTube has actually been pushing my videos in the algorithms a little bit more. So, you know, that's a positive also from this month. And I made a lot of new friends. One of my new friends here, yeah, you gotta tell me your name, man. I don't know if you showed me on the email, but one of my friends, he ordered an action van lift, and the train actually got derailed. So hopefully no one got hurt, but he's getting his kit today. It's like two weeks late. He showed me a picture of his tracking number saying the train was derailed. That's crazy. His email said you can't make this stuff up. So a lot of my friends out here on YouTube, they've gotten action van lifts and they're joining the club, man. And I don't care if you got an expensive lift or you got a U-joint or you got a spacer lift. I don't care. I just want you guys to have a good time and be hyped up about this hobby as much as me. So here's a funny story for you guys. Let me get to the story now. So you guys see how I am. I love this hobby. I hype this hobby up, and I'm friends with a bunch of people with the expensive lift kit. One of my best friends is Mark in Arizona. Shout out to Mark. So real quick, Mark messaged me, texted me, and he was in some van event in Arizona. So I told him, how many lifted Econolines there, man? And he said, I'm the only one. We're not a big group. So the whole point of my videos, it's always been the thing, man. People who know me or actually pay attention to me, they know that I just want to see everyone lifted, and everyone has a budget they could afford. So so you see how I am. I give everyone a shout out. I want to see all my friends have a good time, and if anyone could do a better channel than me, please do. You know, I'm like, besides a couple other companies doing van content, no one's really doing lifted van content in the volume that I do. So someone I try to help out, it's funny, someone I try to help out turned on me, and he tried to get my friends to turn on me, and a couple did turn on me because of him, and that's very disappointing. But with this whole like van hobby, we're not that big. Like I said, Mark said that he was the only lifted van at a van event. So we're not a big genre. So of course I'm gonna see this guy bashing me in comments to my friends, right? Shout out to Katrina. Katrina, me and my friends, we talk about you at the van meets. Everyone sees your comments. Katrina and Jose PhD. So people see Katrina's comments. She's always saying, God bless you, have a blessed day. And I love it. I love seeing Katrina's comments every single time. And the reason I don't engage and I just ignore all the bad talk about me, you know, people could criticize you, right? Because I've had people criticize me that I have no idea who they are, and they're welcome to criticize me. But it hits you at a different level when it's someone you try to help out. But like I said, I see certain comments bashing me, putting me down on my friends' videos. So it's a very effeminate trait to go on another man's friend's videos to make comments about another man in a negative way, trying to make other men stop being friends with other men. What is this? Is this Mean Girls? But anyway, the reason I don't respond to those comments, I think about you, Katrina. Katrina is always praising me and telling me to stay who I am, and I don't want to disappoint Katrina. Katrina is a retired Air Force, and when somebody like her respects me, I don't want to disappoint them. And she's always telling me to be yourself, and that's why I just ignore. You know, like I said, it's not a lot of people who turned on me. I'm going to continue to always help my friends here on YouTube. It's like 4 people that turned on me that it's life, right? When people turn on you, at least you weeded out the people who didn't like you to begin with. Maybe they low-key never liked you to begin with. So yeah, that's who I am, man. I just want to see you guys do well. I hope someone steps up and makes a lifted van channel as fanatical as mine. You know, this is like my favorite hobby ever when it comes to automobiles. I'd rather go to a lifted van meet than a Corvette meet. So yeah, so headed into the library right now. I appreciate your support, guys. All the emails I get from you guys, I enjoy it very much. So yeah, just gotta take care of business right now. So everyone, you guys have yourself a great week.